This is my favorite chicken curry and I learned it from my mom, and once you try this, I bet you won't go for any other recipe. We are going to cook this chicken in 3 different steps. In the first step, we are going to cook the chicken with all the masalas in the pressure cooker. Now add 1 sliced onion. Then add ginger, which is crushed, it's a small piece. Then crushed garlic, it is 1 pod. And add the salt in between. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons chili powder. Here I am using Kashmiri chili. If you want spicy, then use a normal chili powder. Now give a good mix. All the masalas, onion, ginger, garlic, everything should combine well. It's ready now. Don't pour the water. We are going to cook like that. Keep it in a medium flame and we just need 1 whistle. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. I switched off the cooker after 1 whistle and now it is ready to take it out. It's cooked and we have to drain the chicken from the water. I already fried the 1 balanced sliced onion till it is light golden color. We are going to add that towards the end. Now fry the chicken pieces in that same oil. I am just going to give the shallow fry. Just turn 2 or 3 times, that is more than enough. See, it is light golden color and we can take out the chicken. You have to cook all the chicken pieces like this. Keep the onion, gravy, everything in that cooker itself. After frying all the chicken pieces, take out the extra oil. After removing that, I am keeping only 1 or 2 teaspoons maximum, and that is for sauteing the tomatoes. I am adding 1 tomato here. Once the tomatoes are soft, add the gravy to this pan itself. After frying the chicken pieces, don't change the pan. You have to cook in the same pan itself, otherwise you will be losing all those chicken flavors. Now add all the fried chicken pieces to this gravy. Mix it properly, and now you can add all those fried onions to this. And after adding the onions, it should boil for a minute, not more than that, and we are done. But if you are serving this with appam, chapathi or a bread, then one more small step is there. You have to add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, which will give an extra flavor for this curry. Now give a good stir, and if you want more gravy, then add water. Actually, I forgot to add the water before, so I am adding now and just boiling for a minute and then switch off the flame. I hope you all liked the video and thanks for watching.